Screwdriver. Screwdriver! I agree. Our old screwdriver had to go to the hospital because of retarded syndrome. So we replaced him with his twin brother. He's retarded too. But let's take a remembrance of our old one because he's dead now. Retarded screwdriver. Let's get this show on the road. Let's go to the pet store. Hairball. Open the door. Oh, dang it. I fell again. Yeah. All better. Oh, this is the DVD I used to have. Talk, 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 talk. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, you're boring. You're boring. Bye. Next. Power Rain. Okay, you're mean. Ooh, Coca-Cola. Hey, you're the one who went out with my retarded brother.
Ah!
Ah!
I eat screwdrivers.
Are you the manager?
Why, yes I am. How may I help you?
I don't know. Well, there was a Coca-Cola chasing me.
Who? Oh, Buddy. Yeah, he's not for sale.
His name's Buddy.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Next animal. Next animal. Wow. It's big. I think, I really don't know, but I think it's a snail. Now I get to choose which one I'm going to buy. Hey, not you.
I'm gonna get you, my pretty. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh.
Hooray for the rescue! Thanks for saving my life.
You're welcome, little buddy. Okay, bye.
Bye.
By the way, don't buy me.
Okay.
So, what animal did you choose, retarded screwdriver?
I want the snail.
Snail.
Yeah, the snail, the big brown snail.
I'm afraid that's not a snail.
What? I thought it was a snail.
Nope, it's a turd.
You guys.
Can't mess around like this. Choose your animal, retarded screwdriver.
Yeah, I'm saying I want the snail.
Okay, you can have the snail, but just so you know, it's really a piece of poo.
Oh, okay. Well, I want the piece of poo. How much is it?
Free!
Free? Now I don't have to waste my money anymore.
Yay!
Yay! I really, really like this. Bye,